ampalaya is there. Thumbs up, thumbs down. No. Our fresh milk. Good morning, Mandy.
Good morning.
What are you doing?
Kitty. Do you want to say Do you want to
Wow.
make with cereal?
That's
It's
nice.
gonna make so yummy.
That's your breakfast?
Not really.
Not really? What else?
Where's your breakfast?
Oh, these are all healthy
Look
vegetables.
at me.
Are you sure you're gonna eat this? These are sitaw, okra, squash, and ampalaya. Are you sure you're gonna eat that?
Yes.
Oh my god. You're so excited. Let's show it. Let me see. Here. Whoa. Okay, are you ready? That's bitter. But that's healthy. Oh, no. How was it? Good? See? Oh my. Because of that, you're gonna deserve a little bit of surprise.
What is it? Nothing.
No, you have something. Maybe later. Because you're eating that. Oh, eat more of that, ah. Because you're not allowed with egg and some of other foods because of your allergy. Okay?
Galing ni Mandy, oh. Here's a bigger one.
Oh, bigger one. Where, mama?
Let's
Later you will eat this steak, okay? How's the taste, Mandy? I know you're liking it. Don't be shy. If the food doesn't taste good or has no taste at all, that's a little healthy, you know. If it's sweet,
Like it.
you know. But even though you're gonna eat that, right? You accepted the challenge.
But we never eaten that before.
Good? Mandy? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up, thumbs down. No. It's alright. Most of the kids are not eating that, but at least you showed them that you can eat it not once, but twice. Come on. Another one. Yes, you can do it. Is there ang palaya, mama?
Yeah.
Let me see.
If you
Wait.
do it, you should subscribe to your channel.
Oh, the ampalaya is there.
I will
Okay,
eat it
go.
if you subscribe.
Ikit daw niya pag...
Okay, guys, subscribe to Mandy
Now
and
to you.
to me.
If you have million.
Million. I only have 1,000, and I
Say that you subscribe now.
subscribe now, guys, and
Wow!
live a healthy living, or should I say balanced life? Whoa, no. How was it? Oh my god. You're better than your mom, you know. Good. I say goodbye na and have a great day ahead.
Bye.
Show them that you will finish it. Baka kala nila
See,
luluwa mo.
don't lie.
Swallow.
It's not. I'm not gonna edit that.
She's happy, oh.
Oh, you're so happy. Maybe we should make an ampalaya candy.
No.
No?
Oh, swallow na, swallow.
Swallow it. We're gonna show that you swallowed it. Oh, no. Ah. Let me see. Oh. The face. Done. Show it. Show your tongue. Ah! There's a little bit more. Oh, you go with the Milo or fresh milk. Oh! Wow! Let me see. Ooh, very good. Okay, guys. See you again. And Mandy will still eat some of This ampalayas.